Hey guys, welcome again to another video with Vibrant Style JA. Today I'm gonna do some brown stew pork, and I already went and cleaned it properly, wash it with some vinegar guys, and I cut it up in these small pieces. Okay, very meaty and everything guys. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add my seasoning to it. So first thing, I'm gonna add my seasoning now guys. Okay, okay, I totally forgot to add in my pimento seeds guys. Okay, and you know that pimento seeds are inside of the jerk season already. Okay, I'm just gonna use my little beater and crush it out now guys. Crushing it out. That. Wow, kicking up a notch. Just looking again guys, and now I'm starting to put off the butter inside here, okay? You could use little oil, but I also use a little bit of butter, not a lot, because remember the pork gives off a lot of oil to guys, okay? So now I'm just gonna add them pieces at a time, taking off all of those seasoning off it. Some might mistake and go inside there guys, but no problem. Hopefully you're seeing what I'm doing, okay? Adding inside. I'm gonna have everything inside here and I'm gonna let it fry a little guys. And it's running. So I'm gonna turn it, guys. Don't want it to burn or anything. And I'm gonna add a little piece of ginger inside there as well. Good. Start to shrinking again. Piece of ginger to add inside there. Stick around for the finished look. Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing yellow rice. So I went ahead and washed my rice, add my seasoning and some curry guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna let my rice cook guys, and we're gonna get some curry rice with some brown stewed pork on a Thursday wet afternoon in Jamdown. So that's guys, so now I'm gonna add in some water inside there and if it's cooked down before I put the seasoning inside there guys. Okay, so it shrink guys, look at that. Yes guys, shrink. Smelling real good. Check my king now guys, we're going to check on our pork. Alright. I'm just gonna add all of my seasoning inside there now. Fry it a little more, then I'll add some more liquid, okay? chili rice. Look at that steam, guys. Wow, kicking up a notch in Vibrant Style JA Kitchen. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and tell a friend about Vibrant Style JA. Check in again, my beautiful subscribers and viewers. Welcome to Vibrant Style JA. So now I'm going to be adding some Irish potato. You could add celery or carrots or broad beans. Any kind of vegetable would be nice inside here. Okay, I'm just going to mix it up now, guys. Add some more liquid inside there. Then I'm going to add some cornstarch to thicken the gravy. Okay? Some part hasn't cooked as yet, guys, like the skin. So that's why I have to add some more liquid. And it will cook down now, guys. Let me just add a little more so the potatoes can cook. And it is smelling real nice. To carry that, so it's going to come out of 15 to 20 minutes and then we're going to have our dinner. Okay, I've been cooking for about 40 minutes so far. Okay. The potatoes go down into that gravy and get that flavor also, guys. Okay, cover it on low heat and let it finish up. Look at it closer. So I'm just going to cover it now, guys. Check in again, my subscribers and viewers. Now we're going to check in again on the brown stew pork. Okay, the Irish is cooked now, so I'm going to just add in my little cornstarch inside there with a little tip of sugar. You could use honey as well. I was drizzling it all over inside there, guys, just to thicken up the gravy. Okay. On everything, guys, looking good. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the gravy to just thicken. Right color and everything, smelling real nice. Can smell those herbs, natural seasoning that I had inside there earlier. Wow, kicking up a notch on a wet Thursday afternoon in Jamaica. Steam, guys. So it's gonna be ready in the next 5 minutes. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. One love. Bye. That is it now, guys. This is how I want my gravy to look. But we need some gravy for the rice too, guys. Okay. Give it just another minute. Okay, just mix it up inside there now, guys. And that is it, So we're gonna have this with some yellow rice. Okay, we're having brown stew pork with yellow rice, guys. Next time I'll be doing some with some butter bean or broad bean. I remember I said you can use any vegetables or beans, okay? But we use some Irish. We put some carrots as well to give it some nice color. Okay. Could add some sweet green peas inside there as well. Anything, guys. Okay, that's the texture of my gravy that I'm looking for, guys. Okay, one love. Thanks for watching.